So I was about to leave for office and then has woken up from sleep. She's done sleeping and now she wants Gayatri's favorite toy. Are you guys ready for it? It's a huge Astra. She got fever the next day. Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. Welcome to Monday Blues vlog.
A few moments later.
I had a bath and this is the condition of the house once Gayatri wakes up. Let me show you. Everything is just thrown here, there, everywhere. Time for office work. Office timings are I think 12 to 8, but there's no specific timing as is. Most of them work from 11 to 7. Some work from 2 to 10. So there's no proper timing as is. So I generally begin work around 11:30, 12 and goes on till 8, 8:30, sometimes till 10. Because sometimes I take break in between. So I take about half an hour, 1 hour break. So then I have to extend. So that's how it is. Time is about 10:30 now and we'll begin office work a little early today. And look at my Pokekita. The balcony door was open. She came and started pulling out all the mud from the pots. Yep. So my client is very strict about social media policy, so I'm not supposed to show my workplace, neither my laptop, and not my office, nothing. So I can only tell I'm going to office, and I go to office, and then after coming outside, I can tell I've come out of office. So there's nothing apart from that I can show. Because that's the NDA that they made me sign. And while I was vlogging, see what Gayatri Babu is up to. She started pulling out all the clothes from this bucket and is putting on her head and roaming around. It's sometimes very cute to watch, and other times it's very tiring. So I have a mandate of going to 5 days office. I have to go all 5 days, so I have gotten ready. I do almost full face of makeup, but today no energy. So these all marks and scars will stay. I just applied sunscreen and compact, and this is the lipstick from Maybelline, and will change into clothes and leave because office is about 45 minutes from my place and I have to sit there for about 4 hours, 5 minimum 4-5 hours, and then again 1 hour back. The thing is, my mother is in hometown and it's just me and Guruji with the baby here, and both of us have office. He doesn't have to go to office thankfully all 5 days. I have to go all 5 days, that's the thing. And yeah, we have a nanny who comes at 4 p.m. To 8 p.m. but that's not enough for us. So we're looking for a new nanny who will come from our work timings like 11 to 8 or 12 to 8 or whatever that. So that way it helps us a lot. Otherwise baby is always clinging to us and not letting us. So there's we have to cater to her needs. Kids are like that, they want constant attention, and so yeah, nobody's to be blamed anywhere. We only have to manage somehow. So yeah, let's go. I'll change clothes and leave for office.
One eternity later.
This is how I got ready for office, and we go to office now. This is my shirt from Kurti. It's a beautiful kurti I got from Amazon for about 500 rupees, I think. Let me know in the comments if you want a link of this. I'll send you the link. Beautiful, simple. I like this design. Good material, very soft. This is the jeans and hair tied into this. Yeah, let's go to office. So I was about to leave for office, and then Guruji said he made coffee. Oh my god! Wow! So yeah, coffee is love. So I'll have coffee and then go to office. Coffee is Nescafe Sunrise. Nothing beats Nescafe Sunrise for me, and filter coffee. So apart from those two, I don't like anything else. I'm not a chai person. I'm a coffee person. I can't drink chai. I don't know why. For breakfast, we had upma. Cook made upma, so we had that upma for breakfast. And I didn't tell her how much to make. She lost count. She lost the quantity and made a lot of upma. इस पूरी कढ़ाई में उपमा था. We ate some and shifted half. So this is how much she had made. It's a lot for two people at least. What my pokri Kita has got in her hand. She runs to the balcony and she has got that tape, measuring tape in her hand. That measuring tape she is holding and she's going to measure the length, I think. Civil engineer in the making, architect in the making, I don't know. This was a curated balcony space I had made. We put this grass, we got that stand, we kept a Buddha and these artificial flower pots which are not in place anymore. Those artificial pots she's thrown away, and now her next job is to go and remove all the mud from that balcony. Hi, there? My God, she got this button, and those buttons are very dangerous. I light the udbatti in the balcony of late. See that part? That's where we keep the udbatti now. Because inside the house, this pokri kitta will go and touch the udbatti. The other day, she literally touched the udbatti, and then she was like, "Oh," she said. And by then I pulled her. Even then she got hurt. But so what she did was she went and touched the udbatti. So I put it in the balcony. Now she's going to the balcony and touching that udbatti. Pet. So if you are wondering what happened to baby's hair, we got baby Gayatri's mundan done in Dharmasthala sometime back, about a week back, and why is she peeping into my vlog? We got our mundan done about about 10 days back. I'll post a video soon about the mundan and all the details in some time, in some days. So yeah, that's the update. And after that, we went to Udupi, right? So she felt there was a weather change. In Udupi, it is extremely hot and humid. Here it is hot and dry. So, and then when we came back to Bangalore, we put car in full AC and we came. And she had a shaven head also. So I'm guessing she got cold because of that. I don't know. And she had got a vaccine also a few days back. So I'm guessing she caught cold because of it. And she got fever the next day. And fever lasted for 2-3 days. And then she got cold 2 days back. And that cold episode is cough episode is slightly better, thankfully. And here we go to office in auto. Yeah, wearing a mask because I get bad throat infection because of too much dust on the roads. And magically, Monday today was lesser. Reached back home. Baby girl has woken up from sleep. She's done sleeping and now she wants the mobile. No. We don't give any mobile screen time to the baby as of now. So she's just seen us use the phone and she's very curious what is it. So she keeps pulling our phones. We lock it and give it, and then she's very happy that she has a phone in her hand. Though she has not at all watched reels or whatever, we've never given her that. And but yet she's very excited about it. I don't know. And she observes us scrolling, so she also takes the phone and does this. So we're trying to avoid phone at all costs at the age of 3. TV we sometimes play because not cartoons and all. So I am a big fan of Durandar movie and movie songs. So I keep playing that and on sometimes on YouTube. So she sees it and her favorite song is Tennu Shararat Se Kaam. Dances to it. She loves that song and yeah. So she calms down and she's crying listening to that song. So we play it for her sometimes on YouTube, and then we put a National Geographic, Animal Planet, and all that. So she's very happy seeing the animals. So that's the screen time she gets. That too, when she's very cranky, we do it. Otherwise, she doesn't. We don't put TV. New hobby: taking mud out of that pot and holding. I am okay till here, but I am not okay after this. She puts it in her mouth and wants to eat that rock. That I am not okay with. I am okay till this part. That she's holding in her hand, I am okay. But not to the part that she's putting it in her mouth. The time is about 5:30 and we came down downside our building for a walk. The nanny caregiver is very nice. She plays a lot with the baby. I have a meeting around 6:30. So I was free for some time. I got baby down to play. Whoever is free generally brings her down. When my mother is staying with us, she is the one who brings her down because we are always busy with meetings and other things. So today I had some free time. I got her down. She's playing here, walking around. That's it. It's a Monday today. Traffic seems a little less because April end, and I think many people have gone hometown because schools have holidays and all that. I think so. Traffic is little less. Mondays generally it's a little less, I guess. So this is basically the apartment kind of what we stay. This is what it looks like. There's no play area for the baby. She just has to walk around here, and there is a constant risk that vehicles will keep coming. So that's the reason I am planning to move to a better society where she at least has good walking space, play area, which this apartment does not have. And in this where we stay close to office, right, this place, this area, for a good 2 BHK with such amenities, good walking area and park, such apartment rent itself is 50,000, 60,000. 50, 60,000 is too much. It's a person's salary. So yeah, that's the reason I am holding back. One thinking instead of renting, we'll buy something, or how to go about it, I don't know. Or move to a better area which has public parks nearby. But then traveling to office will become difficult. All 5 days I have to go to office. So I am stuck between these 3-4 thoughts. Don't know what to do. Let me know what you think. Should we rent and move to a better apartment, or move to an apartment near to park and travel to office in Bangalore traffic? Or should we, I don't know, buying is also a big thing. 3 BHK, decent 3 BHKs and in a good area will cost you about 1 crore. And here in Bangalore, 1 crore is a joke now. Anything you ask is 1.5 CR, 1.8 CR. So it's 1 crore is no value. They're acting like 1 lakh it is. So it's a joke here in Bangalore now. And real estate is not at all affected by software. It is not at all affected by software market not going good with AI and all that. Least bothered. The real estate is least bothered. The prices have not at all fallen down because of war and gas crisis. Nothing. The prices remain the same. This pooing sound that comes from baby's chappal is the best to listen to. And let's do some coding, some bug fixes and feature development. See, Pokri is doing something. Her nanny left at 8 p.m. now. When she was here, when nanny was there itself, I made rice porridge and I fed her ganji basically. So, dinner is done, and here Now we are playing some music on TV. Oh, she's very excited. She's already started to dance, I think. So now the time is around 8:45, I think. Now to make her calm and me to have lunch, I have to play this. Loves that song from Dhurandhar, Shararat, Tenu Shararat Sikhama song too much that when it begins on YouTube with Saregama Karma, the perfect music for your loved ones or something like that. So baby Gayatri starts dancing just with that when she hears that itself. Screen time, no other option. So she will watch that along with me and we both will dance and I will have dinner. This is my dinner. This is ukde sheeta and paj basically. That is rice porridge of red rice, and then there is ghee and karambal nonche, that is upinkai, pickle. This is comfort food. Paj, toop, nonche is comfort food or for any GSB Konkani, I bet. So the curry that was there, it got over and we just ate outside food yesterday, so I didn't want to order anything, so I thought we'll eat ganji for night. We didn't make anything else. We had made bende up curry in the afternoon, that got over. So now it's paj, comfort food, such relief. Aha. Huna ukde shita paj, tak toop galnu nonche. Aha ha ha. Swarga. Dhurandhar to the rescue. Now we'll play animals on TV and this pokrikitta will run away from here in 2 minutes. Because this is not exciting, no? What is there in this? Monkey is it? Monkey pula. Monkey pula khatta sa mama. She loves monkeys. She's laughing. Lion. We have a lot of toys in the house, okay? But Gayatri has a favorite toy. Let me show you baby Gayatri's favorite toy. Are you guys ready for it? It's a huge Astra. Are you guys ready for it? In 3, 2, 1, we reveal her favorite toy. That's her favorite toy. Viper. Yeah, that's how she likes. So we shouldn't buy any more toys for her. See, Viper. She loves Viper. She loves brooms. Itsudi. She loves brooms, Viper, and toilet cleaning brush, and mop. Let me know in the comments if your children are also like this. Do they also like broomsticks and these kind of things like mine, or is it only mine who likes it?
One eternity later.
So yeah, we finally put the baby to sleep. It's 10 o'clock now. We started around 9:30. She was not at all ready to sleep today. Ayo. She was not at all ready to sleep. She was very playful. And then we put her in the cradle and I started rocking. She did not sleep. Then Guruji went and rocked and finally she slept. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know in the comments, do you want to watch more daily vlogs like these? I'll try to make it more detailed. Today I couldn't capture most of the things that was happening in the house. I think I'll have to buy a smaller tripod which I can place here and there and capture moments. I have a huge tripod and that's difficult to shift around, and if it is huge my baby will just push it and make fall, and with that my phone also gets damaged, so I don't want to do that. Yeah, how did you like the video? Let me know in the comments. Do you want more daily vlogs? Let me know in the comments. Like button, don't forget to hype the video, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.